Hi everyone, Coach Melvin here of Traders Plus. And for this video, i-share ko sa inyo yung isang strategy yung ginagamit ko na kung tawagin natin ay first hour break of range strategy. So, first hour means from the start of the session, we look at the first hour price action or movement. And then when you say break of range, titingnan natin kung anong range yung ginawa niya sa first hour at kung saan magbe-break sa taas o sa baba. And then, kung saan siya nag-break, doon din yung direksyon na gusto mong i-take for your trades. Alright, so without further ado, let me share my MetaTrader. Okay, so the beauty of this strategy, kahit mobile or desktop, pwede nyo ma-apply yan kasi the chart has the features to show the period separators. Alright, so ito ita-try natin sa gold. First, set your chart to 15-minute time frame. Bakit 15-minute? Well, technically, pwede mo i-set yan ng 5-minute or 15-minute. But if I want to count candles that composes the first hour, apat na 15-minute candle is already 1 hour. Pag medyo kasi 5-minute, marami-rami kang candle na bibilangin para makuha mo yung 1 hour. So, para pag dinivide mo yung 1 hour sa 5 minutes, 12 candles yun. Alright. So anyway, to do this, first you have to set your time frame, 15-minute, and then show your separators or period separator. So pwede mong i-click yung F8 or chart, tapos properties, and then show period separators. All right. So that being said, now you have the vertical broken lines right here as your period separator. So let us mark yung nangyari muna dito. All right. So this is a period separator. I will count 4 candles. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right. So dito ako magmamark. There you go. All right. So these are your 4 candles. I'm gonna box them from the highest to the lowest. Kasama yung high and low nung range yan. Yan ang range. Yung pinaka high na narating and low dun sa range na yan. Now, that being said, if I mark these boundaries, titingnan natin saan ito nag-break. So technically, pag tinignan mo at ni-review mo to, may mga false breaks eh. So dito, yan. So pwedeng pag nandito, you might think of, okay, I'm ready to buy. But whatever you buy here has to be cut dito sa range na to. So ito yung parang SL niya. If you did that, sapul ka. Matatamaan yung SL mo. Alright? Well, part of the game yun. Now, another chance is when you take a look at this, ito technically wala kang trade dapat yan. Okay? Not even this. Alright? Or probably if dito baka nag-sell ka, that's probable. But your sell has to be cut here. Alright? Now, ang medyo clear breakout dito ito. Okay, so kung na-SL ka dito, SL hit, makakabawi ka dito. Pag buy mo dito, dito SL mo, and then it goes up, then you make a profit, which could have recovered the losses that you incurred on these two. Alright, so means hindi to holy grail ha, walang perfect na strategy. And here makikita nyo, pwede ka pa rin matalo. Alright, so let's remove these drawings and we are going to draw another. Alright? Wherein, ito na tayo, this period here, I count 4 candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then dito ako draw ng range. So, upper bound, lower bound, ito yung range. Okay, now let's watch kung saan ito mag-break. Okay, moving there. So technically, dito mo siya makikitang nag-break sa baba. Okay, so ito yung break niya. Maganda to kasi manipis yung range, meaning your SL is a bit tight. Unlike this one, medyo makapal yung range. No? So dito, you can set a sell entry here with your stop loss here. Alright? So, overall, dito, bumaba siya without hitting your stop loss. And in fact, if you are already on this level, pwede mo ngang i-move yung stop loss mo towards a gain portion. In essence, tinatawag nito ngayon na trail stop. Alright? So your stop loss is at the gain level. That is to protect a winning trade. And in fact, kung halimbawa may sell ka na dito, tapos nakapag-trail stop ka na dyan, SL, you can open another sell with the same SL. Para yung isa na lang ang may risk, this one has a risk of losing, this sell is already protected against loss. Alright? So tingnan natin kung paano siya nag-work out. Alright? Good, no? Okay. So assuming okay ka na dyan, now you will find another trade. Okay? So let's have another session. There we go. So we have here another period break or period separator. Let's count 4 candles. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. We include this one. Ito yung high niya. Ito yung low niya. Okay? Therefore, if I box it, saan kaya ang break? Ako ang nakikita kong break dito sa ilalim. Ito, nagbabadya sa ilalim. The moment it breaks there, you know what to do. You will set a sell trade here and you set a stop loss above the range. Okay? So laging may stop loss ha. Okay. So let's see how it went. Tada. Okay. So this is a successful trade kung sakali. So you set your sell with a stop loss there. And then when it is already gaining, you can actually put your stop loss somewhere here or here. Then you can open another trade. Diba? So sell number 1, tapos naka-trail na yan. Alright, naka-trail stop na siya. And you can open another sell. So that you have 2 trades. One is winning, one can lose. So only one trade is exposed to loss. Probably the same SL na lang din dito. Alright? So loss ka dito a bit, but you gain there, net gain pa rin. Alright? And you can always find a re-entry. So let's see how this trade went. Tada! Lalim, no? Okay, you could have move your SL to a gainer level. So ito yung SL mo, pwede move, di ba? So palaki ng palaki yung nakaka-capture mo. Alright, let's find another. Okay, so another range. Taran, ayan. So, move ko na lang to. Ito yung period separator natin. Bilang tayo ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so dito sa panlima. Ito ngayon yung range natin. Okay, let me draw the horizontal lines. Upper bound. And lower bound. Actually, dito. I will not count this candle kasi yan yung nasa period separator. So itong 4 lang. Alright, so box natin. Let's see saan mag-break. Sa taas. Therefore, ang entry mo dito, buy. Okay? So, you're going to buy. With your stop loss, where? Dito. Alright, so let's see if how did this trade went. Alright, winning, no? Oh. Alright, winning. Yeah, winning. Now, since it's winning, and you can probably notice that there's a range here that was again another breakout. No? Yung stop loss mo, pwede mo nang ilagay doon. Alright, therefore, wala ka ng risk, di ba? So ito yung buy mo, dito ka galing, okay? And there's your stop loss, you're gaining. You can probably open another buy with the same stop loss. Di ba? So the usual, you have 2 trades running na buy, yung isa with risk, yung isa without risk. Okay? And this could have gained both of them. Okay? So let's see another. So ito ang ginawa natin, parang backtesting, no? To test the effectiveness. So ito, period separator na naman. Okay, let's bring it here. Count candles, okay? Medyo na-reveal din yung pinuntahan, pababa, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, alright, there you go. And this is your range, this is your lower bound, this is your upper bound. And here we can see you should be taking the sell side. Okay? So ito yung sell natin. Say you had entered the sell here or short, di ba? Tapos ang stop loss mo nandun sa taas. Okay, which I'll just call SL. Sige, stop na lang. Stop. Okay? There. Let's see what happens. Tada! Not much, pero gaining. No? You could have protected yourself from this one by putting your stop here, no, or here. Now, it could have been hit by this green candle. All right, but at least you have gained. And then you can re-enter. Mapansin nyo, bumalik yung price to revisit this level by this green candle, and then there's a gap, tumalon, then bumaba. This is a good re-entry point. So you can again sell here. Okay? So, lipat ko lang. Halimbawa, ito na, i-cut mo na, fine, re-enter. Right? And initially, wag matigas ang ulo, lagyan ng stop loss muna. But, yun. Could you have saved this trade from this stop loss? Pwede. Kung nakabantay ka rito at medyo na i-lock mo dito, okay, you could have put your stop there. Alright? In essence, takalabas ka bago siya bumalik doon. Okay? So, let's see another period separator. Ayan. So, move natin to. Alright, we have this period separator. We count 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. So, lagay tayo ngayon ng horizontal and vertical. The more often na nagwi-win yan sa mga backtest mo, mas tataas yung confidence level mo sa strategy. Okay, saan kaya mag-break? Oh, medyo indecisive, no? May small break sa taas, may small break sa baba. Technically, hindi mo napapasok niyan. Ayun, sa baba. Okay? So, dito, with this candle, you could have set your sell. Okay? Pero tight yung SL mo dyan. If you're familiar with ATR, average true range, you could add 1 ATR or 2 ATR for the 15-minute time frame para nandoon yung stop mo at hindi basta-basta tamaan nung week of the candle. Okay. So let's see if this is a successful trade. Not much. You could have moved your stop here and you could have cut your trade here. Alright? Or there. Malamang dito kasi dito yung may structure. So malamang ito yung logical stop, which is not bad. Alright? So, let us give you some other reminders on this. Okay? Una, yan kung wala masyadong news, pero syempre, alam natin that the market also reacts to economic news. So, you might as well want to check your economic calendar to check if meron bang upcoming high impact news. For example, non-farm payroll, JOLTS jobs, no? And yung mga ADP employment, especially on the first week of the month. Okay, so pwedeng i-alter niyan yung takbo. And before you apply the strategy, do a back test. Can this be applied to other instrument like Euro USD, USD JPY? By all means, you can back test and check. All right, I may have applied it with gold, and if you want to apply it with other instrument, by all means, you can test that. All right? So I hope nakatulong po itong video lecture na ito sa inyo. Happy trading everyone, and hope you will profit on your trades. Thank you, God bless, and goodbye.